What is up, YouTubers? I'm doing a product I'm putting on my truck. It's a uriah products. It's a six-inch drop, and I'm probably gonna sneeze here. 6 3/4 rise. It's adjustable. You get three different balls with it. Let me look here. You get a 2-inch ball, you get a 2 5/16 ball, and an 1 7/8 ball. And I believe, yeah, 12,000 pound towing capacity. When I first got this, I was really not, because it's made out of aluminum, really was kind of scared. Got it at Napa. It's kind of unique the way it works. It's got pins on the back side. Let's see if I can push these out. These pins go in from the back, and you can pull your ball out, scratch it up there. Anyway, and then you can pull your other 2-inch ball and stick it back in there. Hopefully I got this. And then you take one of your pins and you put it back in there, and it'll hold the ball in place. Let's go ahead and start the installation, and we'll just go from there. Sorry about that, guys. I should go over also everything that's in the kit. You have your drop or your riser. Just, you can flip it either way. If you want to put it up like so, that will you can adjust it from your height up, or if you want to turn it around, you can stick it in there. And you also have this particular one comes with locks. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you have a set of locks for your pin to lock this, for your hitch. You figure out what height you want. You also the quality of the ball and stuff on these I'm very impressed. They're very sturdy. Like I said, when I got it, I was kind of worried about how cheesy it was. You got 2 of these that come with the kit. You've got 2 sets of keys. So you got actually 4 keys, which is really nice. And what's handy about this is you can run your dill in there. The only thing I don't care that you have to have, and my other one wasn't this way, you do have to use the key to lock the pin so somebody can't steal it, and it's kind of a hassle to hold it and turn the key. That's the only bitch I have about it. It's got a little, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a little slop there, but other than that, I think they'll be just fine. You got to make sure that these pins in here are going up against this. You don't want to put the pins out here, because they could vibrate, and potentially your trailer could come undone. I do like that this has got the slider on it. You could slide it up and down where you want it. It's kind of a pain to get that in. It does come with another locking pin just to help keep it secure. It locks it really good. You're good and solid there. And like I said, you have to use the key, and all 4 keys fit both locks. I was kind of worried about that. And there you have it. Adjustable trailer hitch. Very simple, very quick and easy to put in. It's just, I hate to have another set of keys lying around. I'll probably throw one in the cab of the truck, and I'll have one in the other part of the truck. The only thing is, I wish they'd have kind of thought this out a little better, and you know, figured out where. I mean, I'll have to find a place to store the ball. The molded case, in my opinion, they could have just put it in a box rather than have it in the molded case, because now I've got a molded case I got to either get rid of, or you know, find a trash can or something like that, or you know, keep it for when I want to pull the hitch and that. But usually I leave my hitches hooked up. But yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Well, guys, I'll give you one last look at the ball and stuff. I'll just turn you around. You guys can't even see me. Yeah, I'll just show you a little bit about it. And you know, it looks like it's going to be a very handy hitch. Like I said, when I first got it, I didn't know if I was going to like it. It's big, it's bulky, but when you have a lifted truck like this, you run into trying to find the right product, and I just didn't want to buy an old cheap one. You walk into this, I think it's gonna leave a bruise. Those of you that have rides with hitches, you know what I'm talking about. My old truck, I'd run into it all the time and bruise the shin or whatever. But anyway, okay, here's what I was talking about, the locks. This is the pin that I was telling you about, kind of moves back and forth. Me personally, I wish they'd have made it a little shorter. That way you didn't have the jiggle. I know once you put a trailer or whatever on it, it'll be fine. You've got a pin here. You can put them in either spot according to the end directions. Once again, it's keyed. You have 4 keys that come with it. You have your adjustment. On these, I just put it in the second to the last one, I think, or second to the to these. I think there's 6 of them. Yeah, there's 6 of them. So, and I wanted to use both. Right now I've got the 2-inch ball on it. That's what I normally use. And then you can flip it over and use the 1 7/8, whatever it is. And then the other one, I'll just have to find a place in the cab or somewhere. Probably get a toolbox or something for in the bed to put my jumper cables and things, but that's another video. But yeah, these are the pins. These slide out the other direction. They go up against this metal piece here. So those of you that are looking for a hitch, I think this is you know, you're going to spend a couple $100 on it, but you know, that's the price you pay. You know, you get a lifted truck like this, you're going to have a few challenges. But yeah, I think overall that's one of the fastest installs for a hitch. I didn't have to go get a dang wrench and wrench on it and tighten the ball and recheck it. And but yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks once again for watching my videos. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. And have a blessed weekend. And yeah, just once again subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.